Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here to show you how I take my gel nails off. This is sort of like not the fun part of having gel nails, but I'll just show you the stuff that I have. So this is some acetone. I got this at Walmart. That's where I found the cheapest one. Then I found these on Amazon. I'll have them linked down below. They're lint-free nail wipes from Opie. And then to condition my nail, because gel nails is really hard on your nails, I got this from Amazon. It's called Hoofer's Choice. And it's just like a cream to put on your nails. And I really find that it helps. So you can tell I've been picking at them. And then there's this tool to scrape the gel polish off. And then instead, you can use foil. But instead of, using foil over and over again, I got these. I think, I have like 10 for one for each finger. And then I also bought a pack that had some for the toenails. And it came with this. And I'll also have that linked down below. So really, all you need to do is just put some acetone on this, wrap it, put this on, and then it's waiting. I wait 15 minutes and then I scrape it off. And usually I only do one hand at a time. So now I'm going to put you on fast forward, and I won't leave it on, for the entire 15 minutes, but just me putting those on, and then I'll come back when it's ready to scrape those off. Okay, so it's been sitting for 15 minutes. Now I have to say that, if I wasn't doing this on camera, what I do is I do this while we watch TV. And I just put the acetone on the pad and put it on my fingers. And most times I'll leave it for more than 15 because I'm watching TV. So, it's not like I'm waiting. Like today, it was like, okay, 15 minutes, let's get it done. It's just that the longer it stays, the easier that the nail polish, the gel nails come off. And, so if the less scraping that you do on your nail is probably better. So what I do is I leave the other ones on, like I don't take them off all at once. I just take off the one that I'm going to work on. See, like this, it's not. So now what I'm actually doing is, probably causing damage. Not probably, definitely causing damage to my nail. But I don't want to put this back on just for that. Like there's only like a little sliver. Maybe what I can do is just put it on while I do the other nails. There. Hopefully it'll come off nicely after. Now, as you can tell, I just brought a paper towel because as you're scraping this stuff off, it kind of makes a big mess. I have to say this is my least favorite part of the gel nails kind of thing. But it's been a little over 2 weeks since I put the nail polish on. So it lasted 2 weeks, maybe a day or two before it was exactly 2 weeks. It was starting to look pretty raggedy, but it was during my rotation. And that's probably why it got so bad, is because while I was at work, I was just like picking on it without even realizing, almost like a nervous tick or something. I didn't even notice that I was doing that. So I do all one hand because if I had all those things on my fingers, then it would be like super hard. See how it's coming off? That's how it should, you know, come off almost by itself. Because the less scraping that you do, the better for your nails. And then another thing that I forgot to show at the beginning, I also have this. It's from Cusio, or anyway, this is it right there. And it's for your cuticles, and it's pomegranate and fig is the scent. So after I'm done putting stuff on my nails, I'm also gonna put some on my cuticles and try to keep my nails as healthy as possible. Now, my mom was saying too that apparently like there's like vitamin, like pill form stuff that you can get at Costco. Next time I go to Costco, I'm going to look for it. And it's for nails and hair. And both her and my daughter, my oldest daughter, are taking it, and they're saying that it really works really well. So next time I go to Costco, I'm going to try to find it, and I'll start taking it and let you know how it works. My nails really grow really fast. So it's not as if it's because, ooh, look at that. It's coming right off, yay. It's not because my nails are super brittle, but when you do this, you know, when you put gel polish on your nails and you do this whole scraping thing, it does make your nails a little bit more brittle. And I usually give it a break. You know, last time I went like maybe 2 months without putting gel nail on, just because I wanted to give my nails a break. Let's see, that's super on there. Even though I don't want to, I don't like doing this a second time, but I will, because I don't want to scrape my nail. So hopefully in just a few minutes will help. If my thumb can be done, even if it just has one that I have to wait, I can still get these on, and then just do that one after. Yeah, that came right off. Okay, so now what I'm going to do, I'm going to stop the recording, and I'm just going to put these on this side. I use the same cotton, like, I mean, it's not even messy. And then I just use it for both sides, like both hands. And then once I'm done sort of this session, then I throw these out. So really, I only use 5 every time I do my nails, which is pretty good. And then I'll come back and show you what I do after that once all the nail polish is off on my nails. Okay, so now I have all the stuff off my nails. I'm just gonna put some more acetone and then just quickly go over the nails one last time just to make sure I got everything. And then before I do the cream and stuff, I'm gonna go wash my hands with soap, and then I'll be right back to put the cream and the cuticle cream on my hands. Okay, so the next step is I put this Hoofer's Choice and I just put it on all my nails, just rub it in. And then usually what I'll do is at nighttime too, I'll put some more on before, a couple times today. And then probably tomorrow or the day after, like I wait a couple of days, and then if I want to put some more gel nails, then I'll do it. But I usually give my nails like a day to kind of soak in all that cream and that goodness and just to breathe kind of thing. And then once in a while, I'll give it more than that. Like the last time I did 2 months, but that was just because I just didn't feel like going through the trouble of doing the gel nails. And then I just take this, and it comes with a little dropper, and then I just put that on my cuticles, just because when I put on the gel nails, I mean, you cut the cuticles off and all this stuff, so just want to make sure that it's nice and healthy. There. Okay. I'll leave it like that until it soaks in, and then I'll just, dry my hands or whatever with the paper towel. And that's it. Now they're ready for the next time I want to put gel nails, which will probably be tomorrow. Okay, so that's it. That's my routine for taking it off. It takes also about an hour to take everything off, because you need to leave these things on. It works better if you leave it longer than 15 minutes. You don't have to do as much scraping, and just to get everything off without scraping too much. And that's it. I'll have everything linked in the description box below under the Amazon link. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.